And we're back to AI. I found another free tool. Don't get confused, here are credits on the left hand side, but in principle it is free. You can pick your style right here for a QR code generator and then add a URL on top. Let me just paste my YouTube channel. You can also prompt it yourself. Well, let me just pick an illustration. Click on create. This is not going to cost you any credits. It's going to create 2 generations by default. The credits only come into play when you upscale it. So there's a little bit of a cost to it when you need it with a higher resolution. But if you just need it like this, you can download it easily. But this is free, it's free to use. There's a download button on the top right of the image. Here's the prompt explained. And if you want to have a different version, as I said, upscaling this costs you credits. So let me just do this, 2x. Image has been upscaled, and if I now refresh this page, I've got 1 credit less. I believe that they hand out 50 credits for free right now if you just sign up. But once again, if you don't upscale it and you just need it with a smaller size, right now it's 512 times 512. It's basically for free. One word of caution though, you have to check this QR code and definitely check it before upscaling, because some of these codes, they didn't work with my QR code scanner. So be careful there and only upscale what works. But I don't want to complain too much about it. It's free, so check it out. I'm going to link to it in the video description. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.